Have you ever wondered about the perfect harmony and balance in the world? Imagine a nation teeming with countless diverse communities, all coexisting in a state of constant change and renewal. Picture a ceaseless influx of new arrivals and a steady stream of departures to distant lands. Yet despite this continuous shuffle, crucial services like sanitation, healthcare, transport, and food distribution never miss a beat. Every individual's needs are met without fail. Now, what's striking is that there doesn't seem to be any visible communication network, yet every task is executed seamlessly, maintaining a harmonious, balanced, and fair environment. Amidst all this activity, there's not a trace of waste anywhere. Remarkable, isn't it? Now one might wonder, is this all governed by some unseen laws or a constitution of unknown origin? Or could this extraordinary organization, direction, and order be the result of emergent chain reactions arising from millions of different causes? Could such a place possibly be ownerless? It's clear that every event in this nation is orchestrated and governed by an entity who sees everything, hears every plea, and carries out every task flawlessly and with utmost fairness. Otherwise, this place would be a battlefield from start to finish. Cries for help would echo unanswered, and the cities would descend into chaos and aimlessness, becoming nothing more than junkyards or graveyards. Bediüzzaman Said Nursi, while incarcerated in the Eskişehir prison, depicted this distant truth using an analogy of a palace and a city in perpetual states of ruin and repair. In this theater of change and transformation, we see synchronized actions where destruction and construction are two sides of the same coin. The universe is like a grand country, city, or palace where stars, living beings, and cells are born, and when their time comes, they die. This cycle of birth and death is a continuous creation. The universe is like a magnificent country, city, or palace where stars, living beings, and cells are born, and when the time comes, die, in a continuous creation. Let's journey back to the very beginning, to the Big Bang. Picture an intense burst of energy, a flash brighter than a billion suns, giving birth to time and space. This event, which scientists believe occurred around 13.8 billion years ago, marked the start of our universe, an expanding, cooling cosmos filled with subatomic particles like protons, neutrons, and quarks. Just ponder over this for a moment. In the initial moments of this explosion, unimaginable temperatures and densities first created these subatomic particles. In the third minute, the first atoms were born, followed by hydrogen, helium, and lithium elements through nuclear fusion. The universe as we know it was starting to take shape. Now let's think about this. Explosions are often associated with destruction and chaos. Yet the Big Bang, which might seem like an explosion, brought about an order so intricate, so precise, that it boggles the mind. The renowned physicist Stephen Hawking once stated that if the expansion rate 1 second after the Big Bang had been even slightly less, the universe would have collapsed before reaching its current size. That's how delicately balanced our universe is. So what's the takeaway here? The Big Bang, far from being a random, chaotic event, represents a meticulously designed process, a testament to an incomprehensible intelligence and power. It's an act of creation that transcends our human understanding, a testament to a timeless essence with infinite knowledge, perfect command, absolute power, and encompassing will. The Big Bang, which seems like an explosion to the narrow human mind, but is actually an unparalleled miracle created by the timeless essence, with infinite knowledge, perfect command, absolute power, and encompassing will, is an extraordinary act of divine creation adorned with countless wisdoms and arts.